finally snowed, and my shit's fucking taken apart. I'm a little pissed today. Got like 6 inches of snow, and my valve covers are off, getting powder coated. So gonna go drift the Corolla. Yeah. Whatever. Still fun. Let's get to it.
Ding dong drift!
So this is the new Insta360 One X2 that I just got. So let's see how it holds up. God damn, people, get some fucking snow tires, you dummies. That dude's just standing at the intersection, can't move. Oh, time to get some gas. Alright, I'm at my go-to place in Mexico here. Mexico got a lot of snow too, it's crazy. So, I'm gonna strap on this camera onto the car somewhere, try to figure out a spot. I just remembered I forgot towels to wipe off the snow. So hopefully I don't drop this camera. It does have lens guards on it though. So, I don't know if you can see those. There's little stick-on lens guards, so if I do drop it, hopefully those protect it. I created this little contraption to, see, I 3D printed this little thing to connect my new suction cup to my old suction cup so that at least it doesn't wobble up and down, only side to side. Hopefully that keeps it on. So let's strap the stuff on and see how it goes. Alright, got it mounted up. Let's see if it holds on. Let's do it. Oh yeah. Dude, look how deep the freaking snow is. It's crazy. I guess. Let's keep going. Let's go see some other parking lots. Man, Mexico's so much fun. Dude, I'm over here driving with a fucking tripod on my roof. There's a cop right in front of me right there. By the way, look how sick this is. I can just preview the app while I'm driving. Just hit record whenever I'd like. Pretty fucking dope. Let's look at more parking lots. Hopefully that cop leaves me alone, 'cause that would be great. Alright, taking a little break, giving the Insta360 One X2 a little break, because it's starting to rain a little bit, which was in the forecast. It's really weird. It was like perfect snowing weather, and now the temperature's going to start rising to like 38 by think it was like 4 a.m. and then drop off again. But during that time, it's gonna rain, which sucks, because all this snow is just gonna turn into like a sheet of ice, which sucks ass, but what can you do? But I'm having a ton of fun. Who says you can't have fun in a front-wheel drive car? Still wish I had my AC right now, but fucked up, didn't look at the weather, and took it apart. But those valve covers are gonna look sick. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep driving around looking for some spots. In a front-wheel drive car, you kind of just want a big parking lot. You can't really like weave and drift around stuff. I mean, you can, it's just not that much fun, because it just wants to straighten out right away when you give it some gas. So just gonna keep looking around, find some stuff to skid, and yeah, Mexico's so much fun. I love Mexico. Dude, having snow tires, you just fucking drive everywhere. It doesn't matter. You can go anywhere you want. This is like, it's unbelievable. Everybody's struggling. Everybody's like on the verge of death. And I'm over here like, whee! Like literally, dude, like, you can just, oh my god, I love it. Look at this. Look what I'm doing. Unfazed. I want to race like a truck, like an all-wheel drive, like Land Rover, something with good all-wheel drive, a 4Runner. I want to like head-to-head, or like a little race on you know, parking lot, whatever, just covered in snow. I'd probably win.
Are you sure about that?
Dude, look at this motherfucker. He's just straight up doing a fucking burnout in his Kia Soul. Come on, Hamster Mobile, let's go! Let's go! Come on, you got this!
Get your phone, split guns, got about 50 guns, and I love all of them the same.
Damn it, this road's been cleaned. Why? Nobody drives here. Why did you clean it? So just drive around and stuff. Dang it. Boring. There's no snow? I mean, there is snow. It's still slippery, but pretty clean. Who the fuck plowed this? Why would you plow this? There's no one here, ever. I mean, there was one car that drove by, but it doesn't count. So this is a forest preserve, right? Forest preserves close at sundown. Well, they opened campsites, and people gotta leave campsites if they want to. So they leave this open, baby. Like somebody's already been here. Look at this. Ooh, shit. That's fun. Yeah, baby. There we go. Oh, I fucking love skidding, man. I love skidding. It's so much fun. God, can you imagine if I had the AC right now? Just fucking fat Donnie right here, dude. Just bah, 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 bah. Oh god, this is so fun. Even with this little shitty Corolla. Roly-poly Corolla. Bro, life's all about this. This is life. This is donuts. This is what life's about. Okay? This is what life is all about. Also, I need to figure out a way to disable that beep when I hit the handbrake, because shit's fucking annoying. full-on pouring rain. Well, kind of slowed down now, but it was when I was coming here. So yeah, weird weather. Still 32 degrees though, so it's weird that it's raining while it's freezing outside. Oh my god. Why is it so much fun? Why is it so much fun to go sideways in a car? Like, what is the appeal? I don't get it. I wonder if it's the same reason I like snowboarding. It's kind of like, I really like doing skis. The thing that's annoying about this Corolla, or Scion IM, whatever you want to call it, it's the same fucking thing. The CVT has like this like inherent protection built in, where like if it notices the wheel spinning, it lowers the RPMs no matter what. Even if I'm flooring it, like you have to like pump the gas for it to, like, look, I'm flooring it right now, but it's just not doing anything. Flooring it, look, nothing. Just chilling at 2,000 RPM. It will not go past that. It's so weird. Look, I'm pedaled to the floor completely right now. 2,000 RPM. I need to get like a pedal commander thingy, so that I could fix that. I'm pretty sure people on like the IM group say that pedal commander fixes that. So, you know what? I'm gonna throw on the 360 camera. Let's do it. Sweet. Stuck again. Never mind, I'm not, dude. Can't get stuck. Cannot get stuck with these tires. Just can't get stuck, man. We're in like 6 or 7 inches of snow, and I'm just plowing, dude. Is there a car coming? That would suck. Some camper's gonna come over here. Hey, what are you doing? Having fun? I'm like, you. Gucci, dog. I'm surprised this camera's staying in. Alright, I made this too bumpy. Let's get out of here. Fucking drive. This is why I've already replaced 2 struts on this car. Because of shit like this. 2 shocks, not struts. So I'm probably gonna have to replace 2 more. Because I like to yeet and skeet. You know? Life's all about yeeting and skeeting. Whee! See, look, I'm flooring it. And it's doing nothing. 2,000 RPM. 2,000 RPMs. It's not enough, Toyota. It's not enough. But then some other times they'll do that. So nothing makes sense. Life is a lie. Nothing is real. Everything is permitted. Alright. Let's bring the camera back in. God damn it. Life's good. Life is... I should probably go home. 9:40. Sylvia probably wants to watch Mandalorian. So do I. Alright. Let's go home. That guy almost went off the fucking road. Of course, wasn't recording, but probably wasn't paying attention and went a little bit too much to the right, and the big pile of snow slows that side down, pulls you more in. Pretty scary, shitty to get out of. You just gotta fucking floor it and turn the opposite direction. It's easier to get out of with a rear-wheel drive car, so you can sort of push yourself out. Front-wheel drive sucks in snow. I mean, for plebs it's fine if they just drive like plebs. But if you know how to drive, front wheel drive is terrible in snow, dude. It's like, you want to oversteer, power out of a turn, you can't. Once you hit the gas, your shit's fucking understeering, and you're just sliding, and you can't do anything about it. Or say you're understeering, and you want to give it a little bit of twist, try and, get the car into the turn. Can't do that either. I mean, you could pull a handbrake, but then you just gotta hope for the best that the weight transferred. Whereas a rear-wheel drive car, you hit the gas and you're oversteering. Yeah. So if someone tells you front-wheel drive cars are better in snow, no, they're wrong. Rear-wheel drive is best in everything. Look at this, dude. Everybody's still standing at the light. I'm over here like, where's that?
Do you have your passport? Did you get your shots? Girl, would you like to come back with Rob to America? America, America. Beautiful. Do you have your passport? Did you get your shot?